Welcome to my channel, The Basic Pathshala. Today we will solve a very hard, or you can say lengthy, differentiation question. So let us start reading the question. So it says 1 minus x6 root plus 1 minus y of 6 root is equals to ax cube minus y cube, and dy by dx is given as some functional equation of x and y, and 1 minus y6 over 1 minus x6 root. So basically we have to find out what is the function here. After differentiating we will get the terms including x and y. So let us start the solution, and yes, I hope that you have tried it once before watching the video. If not, then please give it a try. It's very good question. So now let us start the solution. If I take here x as cos of 1 by 3 alpha and y as sine of 1 by 3 beta, then it will give me some simple terms in terms of cos alpha and cos sine beta, like that. So let us write it. So this will give me 1 minus cos square alpha plus 1 minus sine square beta, and giving me cos of alpha minus sine of beta. So I can write it as sine of alpha plus here as cos of beta. This is equals to a times cos of alpha minus sine of beta. So I can write it like this: sine of alpha plus cos of beta over cos of alpha minus sine of beta. Now I have differentiated with respect to alpha, so let us differentiate that. So this is constant, so this is differentiation is 0, and we will apply here the u-v rule, so u by v rule. So yes, quotient rule you can say. So cos of alpha minus sine of beta into differentiation of that, this is cos of alpha minus sine of beta into d beta by d alpha, and minus of sine of alpha plus cos of beta multiplied by cos of alpha, which is minus of sine of alpha, and minus cos of beta in d beta by d alpha, and dividing by cos alpha minus sine beta whole square. So I can take it here, doesn't matter much to me. So I will write here it as cos alpha minus sine beta, cos of alpha minus sine of beta, and d beta by dx, which let us write it as beta dash, and minus sine of alpha plus cos beta. Oops, very big. Like, let us take minus common, so it will become plus. So sine of alpha plus cos of beta dash. Now I will just multiply all the terms, so it will become, this is equals to 0 obviously. Cos of square alpha minus sine beta cos of alpha beta dash, and then minus sine beta cos of alpha plus sine square beta dash, then sine square alpha plus sine alpha cos beta dash, and then cos beta sine of alpha. Then I will write here as cos square beta and beta dash. So I can see here as cos square, I can see it as cos square and sine square. This will give me 1, so let me write it, write both sine square alpha plus cos square alpha, and I can see that this is also giving me some beautiful results: sine square beta plus cos square beta. So I have taken this and this. Now I am left with plus cos of beta sine of alpha and minus of sine of beta cos of alpha. This is also taken, and this is, now we will take last two, which is beta dash common as sine of alpha cos of beta minus of sine of beta cos of alpha, which is equals to 0. This will give me 1, this will give me 1, so I can write it as 1 plus beta dash and 1 plus cos beta sine of alpha minus sine beta cos of alpha and plus beta dash and this is sine of alpha cos of beta minus sine of beta cos of alpha. I can see that this term is common, so I will take it as common. So 1 plus beta dash plus taking this term common, so sine of alpha cos of beta minus sine of beta cos of alpha, and taking it as common I will get 1 plus beta dash. I can again take beta 1 this term common, so this will give me 1 plus beta dash and 1 plus sine of alpha cos of beta minus sine of beta cos of alpha equals to 0. So let us equate this term as 0 and let us see that what is our beta dash. So our beta dash is minus of 1, and that is d beta over d alpha is minus of 1. So let us see on the next page, because I think page is not enough here for the next solution. So let us move to next page. So our d beta over d alpha is minus of 1, and we have already assumed x as cos of 1 by 3 alpha and y as sine of 1 by 3 beta. So let us cube this equation and divide. So this will give me x cube over y cube as cos of alpha over sine of beta. So let us differentiate this equation, this with respect to x and this with respect to beta. So this will give me 3 of x square over 3 of y square into dy by dx that I want to calculate, and this will give me negative of sine of alpha over cos of beta into d beta over d alpha, and this value is minus 1, so I will cancel this with the minus sign, and yes, this is also cancelled. So x square over y square into dy into dx is equals to sine of alpha over cos of beta. Now we need to calculate sine of alpha and cos of beta value, which is very simple. So we can calculate this by raising it to power 6. So x6 is equals to cos of square alpha, and this is y of 6, which is equals to sine square alpha. Now I can calculate this by writing it as 1 minus x square as 1 minus cos square alpha, and this is 1 minus y6 as 1 minus of sine square alpha, which will give me sine of alpha square and cos of beta, here it is beta, I'm so sorry. So I will get my sine of alpha as 1 minus x6 root and cos of beta as 1 minus y6 root. Okay, now I can substitute the value here. So I will get x square by y square dy by dx as 1 minus x of 6 over 1 minus y of 6. So I want my dy by dx. Oh wait, it is x square over y square, and here it is dy and dx, which is 1 minus x6 over 1 minus y6. So I will take dy by dx there, so I will be left with dy by dx equals to x square over y square into 1 minus y6 over 1 minus x6. And if we compare this with this, let me write that here. So dy by dx as f of fxy and 1 minus y6 over 1 minus x6. So I think that my f of xy is x square by y square, which is option B. So I hope that you loved this video. If yes, then please give it a like and share this, and subscribe to my channel for more such video. Thanks. Have a good day.